Hitome Senbon Zakura can be found in Ogawara, Miyagi Prefecture, Japan. Ogawara has been recognized as a famous spot to enjoy sakura in Japan. Only 340 kilometers north of Tokyo, Ogawara is part of the northern region of the main island in Japan. The history of these sakura trees dates back to 1928. An entrepreneur from Miyagi Prefecture named Kaijiro Takayama donated 1,000 sakura trees to the town of Ogawara. Spring in the Tohoku region starts around April, and sakura trees begin to gradually change their color. From train windows, visitors can enjoy beautiful sceneries of sakura trees along the river. Sakura trees are symbolic of spring and life in general for the people of Ogawara. Some couples celebrate weddings and 60th marriage anniversaries by planting a sakura tree together, symbolizing their love. Along the Shiroishi River, 1,200 sakura trees welcome each coming spring. The Zaou Renpo Mountains, covered by snow, help complement the natural beauty of Ogawara. Majestic, 8-kilometer long rows of sakura along the Shiroishi River are breathtaking. One can see reflections of sakura trees dancing on the water. During sakura season, visitors can take boat rides on the Shiroishi River. In addition to sakura trees, there are many things individuals or families can enjoy in Ogawara. Fishing and paddleboarding are popular activities to do while exploring nature's bounty in Ogawara. For more information, please visit ogawara.com.